Hello everyone, it's Double D again. This time I'm going in search of a lake close by. The weather is not the best, but it's good for filming, I guess. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, it's just right. I'm just outside of my house, somewhere up the hill. I'm sure some people know this place, the Pollen Trail. Those of you who's been to the Isle of Wight, some creatures there, slow worm, dormouse, some blackberries and dogs. There's loads of different types of birds though, you can hear them squeaking and squawking. Lovely trees. I think that right there is an orchid of some sort. Lots of other trees. Looks like apples. That one looks like a cherry in the background. I have no idea what that is. If you may call it a money tree. Anyway, yeah. Put my drone up, get some epic pics as usual. I'll try to get some epic pics. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, take it easy. It's a nice little park, beautiful pathways, and it's right outside of my home as well. Let's pan a little bit to the right, or left rather. My home is right behind that row of houses up there. If I go a bit higher, you might be able to see it. In fact, this is the brown fence, but anyway, it's the beautiful Isle of Wight, which is tight. Hustle and bustle. Oh, that there is Asda, and in the background is some kind of building site. Over here is the allotment, and straight ahead is the pit. Kind of dark on my screen for some reason, so let's fix that. Oh boy, too dark. Good amount of battery left, so more push. I don't know why my screen is a bit dark like this. wonder if I can read the writing on this thing. Let's see. Oh, I can. I wonder if I can zigzag for these things without crashing. Is this? There is double D. Anyways, let's find this lake. Thank you very much. This is the building site that we just saw from the air. This is what they're building anyway. Looks kind of cool. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but this hill is a hill. Hey, again, some white bed there, boy. This is a hill and a half. But it's still beautiful. Still beautiful. All the houses down there. We're still going up though. Still going up. So a lake on top of a hill. Wow. Better be good. Better be good. Good exercise anyway. Still enjoying it. Anyway. Yeah. So anyways, I made it to the top of this mountain here. You can see the sign in the back of me. For some reason it's in reverse. Anyway, it says Isle of Wight Council Road Traffic Regulation. Public byway closed to all vehicles. Yeah, and there's another sign here which says public byway A28 and public byway A28. So, and behind me over there it appears to be like the golf course. Some vehicles passing in the background. I'm going to continue walking and hopefully I can find this. I'm on the top of the hill. I'll tell you what, it's a nice little workout getting up to the top of the hill. Beautiful views all the way around. I'm not going to put my drone up just yet. A bit too close to the golf course and I don't want. In all honesty, here seems to be a pretty quiet place. And I doubt many people would venture here because of the steep climb. But you know, people will be people and they'll always come to these places. You can drive up here obviously and park your car on the side of the road. But let us find out exactly what we're looking at. Like I said, the views are awesome. Like awesome. Let's zoom in a bit. There's a sea in the background over there. It is. I'm telling you. Now, I'm sure Pop remember this ground here. Yeah, cricket ground, the old stomping ground. Well, I'll be honest, there's some pretty decent views around here. Yeah, so like I said, Pop stomping ground right there. What's going on the maps? Hopefully you can see where we are on this map. I want to get to here really. This is where I want to get to. Still on track. Once we get to that location, I'll probably put up my drone. Now, one of the most beautiful things about walking here, you know, like I haven't gone past anybody as yet since I started my walk. Not one person. That's one of the good things I like about the Isle of Wight. Just so tranquil, quiet countryside. You know, if you want to ease your mind off the stresses of work or whatever it is, just go for a nice little walk. You know, chill. Ain't gonna lie. Nice wooded forest. Ain't gonna lie, this is a real bummer. I'm just looking at this here and it looks like this is where I was trying to get to. Let me just take the camera. This is where I was trying to get to. And there's signs saying danger, quick stand, sail, quarries are not play areas, stay away, quarries working, deep water, no swimming, keep out. So, I mean, authorized vehicles only. That's all you can see here. I'm still gonna put my drone up anyway. Saturday. Oh, is that a goose? Stupid thing. He's far now. He's gone. Yeah, I'm still gonna put my drone up anyway. And let's see what it's like. Yeah. Recording this. Hopefully you can see my screen. This is a little drone down there. Don't have the tags on it, but that's fine for now. Does this message keep coming up? Let's switch on. Alright, let's do some basic checks. Grab my bag anyway. Down here. Get some power to the thing. Put this camera on so you can see my face if you want to. And let's get ready for takeoff. So first of all, I'll go a bit high.
Home point updated.
You see me here? That's the golf course. Like I said, it's a beautiful place, man. We're a bit high up, so I don't want to go too high. We're already at 28 meters into the sky. As you can see, it's beautiful. Let's do a pan that way. Let's push that way a little bit as well. Let's get a good glance to see what's around us. Wow. Interesting. Ooh, there is a big lake here. It's not pretty, but it's a big lake. It looks like you can walk around it and stuff like that. Nothing special, to be honest. This is where it's blocked. And this is me standing over here. So yeah. I say I'm not gonna go really high. Windy today as well, so the drone will be struggling the battery life that it has. That's the cricket stadium that I was talking about earlier. It's a beautiful golf course, by the way. Let's see if we see what these people are saying after looking at us. He's just about to tee up his shot. Don't know if you can hear the drone. Whap! Couldn't see the ball at all. Interesting. Yeah. So apparently this is some kind of building material site. Yeah. Said I'm not too keen on actually going there. I mean, we can take a little look. Let's not go too far. You can see some kind of cell phone tower there as well. Pull it back to us. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna play it safe. Land. I mean, this might be epic during like during the morning. The sun setting. go. Let's think about it now. Oh, that's a big dog. Hope it doesn't scare him. Right. Nah. Back down the hill we go. It was interesting. It wasn't quite what I expected in terms of finding that cool lake and walking alongside the lake. It looks like it's pretty much a quarry that's been filled with water. There's right next to us as well, which is kind of interesting. I mean, slightly it's not a playground. There's quicksand there and all sorts. But I got life, you know. Here's some of the sheep over there. I don't know why my focus does that sometimes. Enjoying life. I got a picture of, I saw them on the drone earlier on. Went straight past them and didn't even notice. By the way, here's the cricket ground in the back again. You can see that tower as well. I don't know what it is. Yes, I do know what it is. It's a little area where they've developed or redeveloped rather residential area. But yeah, Isle of Wight is beautiful. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a little scare. Remember that little mouse we saw on the poster? Yo, it's not a little mouse. That thing is huge. It's like what we call an agouti dominica. It's big. I think it's more of the rabbit family, man. But I saw it, it saw me, and I was about to run because I thought it was gonna attack me. You know, that thing is huge, big. Yeah. So anyway, this video is far too long. Take it easy until next time. Bye.